How's it? This is Cameron, and today is day 10 of hiking the coastline of South Africa. Today was one of the prettiest days of walking, but also one of the hardest. I had to put in a lot of mileage today due to the late start from yesterday. While I was walking, I came across these animal tracks. If anyone knows what they are, please leave a comment below, i.e. were there any zebras over here. I passed some really beautiful spots while I was walking today. Like this spot over here looked awesome. The perfect spot for snorkeling. There were only a few problems though. The weather was turning south, my snorkel mask was broken, and I still had a lot of distance to cover. You can see I was motoring it here. And then as I expected, it started to rain. So today I walked from this place, or just before this place called Leven, and I walked to Cape Vidal, which was a total distance of 34 kilometers, and I walked it in the rain with my heavy backpack. My total for the food, accommodation and permits was 530 rand. Cheerio.